On every product we make, you'll find the John Guest monogram proudly stamped. It's a mark of quality and authenticity. John Guest's legacy lives on in all the products we make today, with his DNA in everything, from the idea and design to the precision engineering and manufacturing, as well as our expert technical service and support. Every product we design is rigorously tested in our state-of-the-art labs, with strict quality control throughout the manufacturing process. We also focus on the quality and reliability of our supply chains, materials, and trained personnel. With experts across multi-disciplines, the result is the highest quality products that exceed industry standards in all sectors. Our end-to-end approach gives us complete control over the entire manufacturing process, including in-house innovation and testing. In fact, most of our assembly and production equipment is also designed and manufactured by our engineers. Because we make components for power steering systems to food-grade applications to plumbing, telecoms and air, we take the same standard technology and apply ideas and innovation from one industry to another. The end result is advanced technology for a range of sectors. So you can feel reassured that if it's engineered to keep a Ferrari on the road, it's good enough to provide a safe supply to your kettle.